This is the Helpful Lockpicker here, and the video I have for you today is I'm going to try to get a copy made of my bump key here at Lowe's in one of their automated machines. I'm hoping it'll be a very quick and effective process. So I'm here at Lowe's and I'm going to try to make a copy of this bump key with one of their automated machines. I'm in the lock aisle now. I'm just looking for the key machine. I found the key machine. Let's see what it takes.
Welcome to Minute Key. Press Start to begin. Please insert and hold your key below as shown with your key's teeth to the left. Your key is being identified. You may let go of your key. Please select your desired keys. Please insert your credit or debit card as shown or select a coupon. Would you like to take advantage of this special offer? Would you like a receipt sent to you via email or text? Please wait while we duplicate your key. Complete. Please take both your original and new keys.
Hahaha, that's perfect. Alright guys, well if you have any questions or suggestions, please leave them in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video and you'd like to see more like it, please subscribe. As always, thank you so much for checking out this video, and I hope you have a great day. And thank you for choosing Lowe's for your bump keys.